Hey everyone and welcome to Codekru. So today we are going to see how we can create and run a Maven project using command line. But before starting the project, we just wanted you to know that we have also written one article on our blog codekru.com which also highlights the same step that we are going to perform in this video. So you can always refer to this article whenever you need it. With that said, let's move forward. So to create a Maven project, we just need to run this command maven archetype generate. Here archetype is the plugin name and generate is its goal. So it will help us create a new Maven project. So if I go to the command line and run this command, it will start the process of creating the project. Here you can see that it is asking for the artifact ID, and the default artifact ID that it is assigning it is 2133 out of this list. So if I just search 2133 here, so this is the default artifact that is being applied to it. We can also use any other artifact if we want, but by default let's just keep it that way only. We can also pass this artifact ID in the initial command only by using this argument artifact ID maven archetype quick start. Okay, but as of now, as it's asking for the number, so we will just use the default number only and hit enter. And the version, now it's asking for to us to choose a number, so we can just choose the default number only. What is the group ID for our project? So we can write org.website.codegroup. So every Maven project will have its group ID. What is the artifact ID? It is the name of the project. We can just keep the name as Maven demo as of now. And the default version is this only, so we are just using the default thing. And the default package name would be this only, which we have given here. So we are agreeing with it, so let's move forward. It is asking us to confirm the properties, so let's just hit Y and enter. So yeah, our project has been created. Now we can import the same project in any of the editors and make our changes. Afterwards we will run the same project that we have just created using command line only. So let's just first integrate this project. So this is our project. Let's just open it up. So this is the default structure that has been created for us by the Maven. Okay, here if I open the app, you can see that a class has already been created for us with this default statement. We can write anything here. Let's say we are writing here hello from Codekru. Now we want to run this class, right? So there are two ways. One way is to just simply click on the run button here and it will run the class, right? Second way is to do it from command line. For that we would first need to build the project from command line. So let's just build the project. If we do ls, here's a project, we have to move into the directory, and now we can just build our program using maven install command. So install is a phase here. It will run all the previous phases like compiling, verifying all those things, and then at the last it will run the install phase. We have also created one article on phases in Maven, so you can always refer to that as well. We will also put the link in the description. As of now, let's just run this command maven install. Okay, so here it is giving us this error. So to remove this error, we can just go to the pom.xml, and here it is 1.7, we can just put 1.8 here, or you can also put any other version. Like if you're using Java 17, so you can put 17. If you're using Java 11, you can just put 11. As right now we are using Java 8, so we are using this. And now let's run the maven install command again. Here you can see all of the things are working fine and the project is successfully built. So let's just run the command now to run the app.java class. So the command is something like this: maven execute java -d and then execute main class, and then we can just simply give the class name. So the class name is package name dot class name, which is app. and we can just hit enter. So you can see, right, that our class is successfully executed. There is one another way to run the same class from the command line, and that we have also mentioned in our blog. Here you can see the way is to use this command java -cp, then target, and then the class name. So we can just use java -cp, then the jar. So the jar is present here, you can see under the target folder. Okay, so we can just use this jar, and then we can just mention the class name. So it is the whole package name dot class name thing, and we can just hit enter. So here you can see that hello from Codekru is printed here, and we have just shown you two ways to run a Maven project from the command line. But if we have seen that when we first ran the archetype.generate command, it prompted us to verify multiple things and enter multiple things. But what if we wanted to do all of these things in a single command only? Then we can just mention the group ID, artifact ID, and many other things in the initial command, so it won't prompt us to do anything. So let me just go back to the YouTube folder, and now I'm going to run the command that is present here. Okay, I'm just gonna run this command and hit enter. So now it won't ask us to do anything, it won't prompt us anything, because we have given all of the things in the initial command only. And if I run the ls command now, you can see that the project has been created. Okay, but what is this interactive mode false here? All other things we have already discussed of, but what is this interactive mode false? So let's just not use it and run this command again. Okay, let me remove the project from here, demo project, and let's just run the command again. Okay, we are not using the interactive mode false. So here you can see it is now confirming us with the properties that we have mentioned in the initial command, because we have not used the interactive mode is equal to false. So by default it will prompt us to verify the things, and then we have to confirm it, and then only the project will be created. Okay, so this is the usage of interactive mode is equal to false. This is it. We hope that you have liked the video. Please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.